As your containerized deployments become more customized or complex, manual deployments can become tedious, possibly introducing errors and inconsistencies. Fortunately, there are orchestration tools available which will allow you to deploy infrastructure as code, which all but eliminates these variables. One such supported tool is Terraform. This video is going to demonstrate how to deploy an HPCC Systems cluster onto an Azure cloud using our provided Terraform modules. For this demo, we will use the Azure portal, which does not require installing any additional tools. However, you can choose a localized container deployment, such as a Docker desktop, which would work very much the same way, only you may need to install and configure some of the required tools. Even on Azure, you must have a subscription with the appropriate levels of credits and credentials, as well as owner-level permissions. It's also required that you have knowledge of a text editor and being able to modify text configuration files. Decide on the directory you're going to use to deploy from. This will be your root Terraform deployment directory. Clone the HPCC Systems GitHub Terraform repository using this command: git clone https://github.com/hpcc-systems/terraform-azure-rm-hpcc.git. This will create the Terraform repository module directory terraform-azure-rm-hpcc. The various Terraform modules required are in subdirectories off this root Terraform directory. Note that the order that these modules are initialized and applied in is important. Starting with the virtual network module, then we'll move to the storage module, finally the AKS or Terraform root directory. Change directory into the virtual network module directory first. Copy the admin tf-vars file from the examples directory to the module directory as illustrated. Edit the admin tf-vars file using any text editor. Modify two values in the admin block of the tf-vars file, adding your name and your email. So go ahead and make this change and save it. The next step is to initialize our Terraform modules. Here, issue the Terraform init command. This will initialize the Terraform module. Once successfully initialized, it is time to apply the Terraform module. Now you will issue the Terraform apply command with the var file option set to use the admin tf-vars file, which we modified earlier. At this point, Terraform will display its plan, what actions it is about to take. You should review the plan, and if everything looks correct, enter yes to then apply it. Once that successfully completes, now change directory into the storage account module directory, and once again, copy the admin tf-vars file from its examples directory to the storage account directory, and yet again, with the editor, modify the file the exact same way, adding your name and your email to the admin block. Then save and exit. And once again, initialize the Terraform module. Confirm it has initialized successfully, and again we'll issue our Terraform apply command using our admin tf-vars file that we just modified. And after you've done this a few times, you can choose to use the auto approve option, which will not prompt us for confirmation before applying. At this point, change directory back up to the root AKS directory, the main Terraform Azure RM directory. Copy the admin tf-vars file from the examples directory. Edit that file, adding your name and email to the admin block, just as before. If you're using the Azure portal, we're going to need to make one more change. Scroll down the file until you find the auto launch ECL watch setting and change the value from true to false. This is only for those using the Azure portal. Another value to consider while you're in the admin tf-vars file is the version. If you want a specific version, you would set that value here. Then save and exit. And then move on and initialize Terraform there as well. After you've initialized, once successfully initialized, issue the Terraform apply command specifying the admin tf-vars file and apply. Enter yes to then apply it. This step could take a few moments as Terraform provisions all the resources. And with the successful completion, our HPCC Systems cluster is ready to use. Now we'll issue our kubectl get service command and obtain our IP address for ECL watch. And with that, our cluster has been deployed. Finished using your deployment, you're going to want to take it down. The order which we do this is important. We're going to want to take down the Terraform deployment, the root deployment first, using this Terraform destroy command. Then we're going to change directory into our storage. And lastly, we're going to want to destroy our virtual network. For more information, refer to our official documentation available on our website, hpccsystems.com. Well, that wraps up our video. If you've enjoyed this video, if you learned something, why not take a second, let us know in the comments, or better yet, press the like button. Until next time, thanks for watching.